Today I'm going to teach you how to change location on Gumtree. This is incredibly useful when you're looking to browse listings in a different area, whether you're planning a move, shopping for items in another city, or simply exploring what's available in different regions. Let's walk through this quick process together. First, open your web browser and head over to gumtree.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your personalized Gumtree experience. Logging in ensures that your preferences and saved searches are maintained as you browse different locations. Now, once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page. You'll notice a search bar specifically designed for location searches. This is your key tool for changing which marketplace you're viewing. The search bar is easy to spot because it displays your current location by default, making it clear which areas listings you're currently browsing. Right next to this search bar, you'll see a location icon. This icon typically looks like a pin or marker, which is the universal symbol for location services. Click on this location icon to activate the search function. This action will allow you to input a new location and redirect your browsing to that area's marketplace. After clicking the location icon, a text field will become active, ready for you to type in your desired location. Go ahead and search for another location by typing in the name of the city, town, or area you're interested in. You can be as specific or as broad as you like. For example, you might type in a specific suburb or just a general city name depending on how wide you want your search to be. Once you've typed in your new location, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This confirms your selection and triggers the change. Within moments, Gumtree will reload the page and adjust the marketplace to display listings from your newly selected location. You'll now be able to browse all the available items, services, and opportunities in that specific area. And that's it. You've successfully changed your location on Gumtree and can now explore listings from any area you choose. This simple feature gives you the flexibility to shop, browse, and discover items from different regions without needing multiple accounts or complicated settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.